So good morning everyone. So today naakaroon diri sa Intavas, one of the highlight stories here in Intavas, which is Bulacan. So look at the view of the flowers here. Different colors of flowers. So very nice here. Oh, different colors. So very nice place. Huh? Color. Yes. It's in Tavas. Here in Tavas. Bulacan. Muna Bulacan da?
Oo.
Yes. No? Bulacan. So a lot of flowers here. So next stop. So look at another place. Look at the Ano pa dire?